Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you an epic unboxing that's a little weird. I'm a little uncomfortable with this one.
Yeah, it's a little different than normal, but it's exciting. We've got a nice spread there on the desk of a overflowing box of some larger than normal coins.
It's making me a little uncomfortable, this one. It's making me a little sad because these coins aren't, I mean, the snakes are next year's coin.
And we've had someone sell them back already.
So we've got the mother and baby. We don't call it that anymore. We call it next generation.
Next generation Perth. Yeah, they called it that in the States, but they've moved to calling that in Australia as well by the looks.
Which is only just, I mean, what was that, 2 months ago that was released? I don't think it was even that long ago. We do have the dragons, the 2-ounce dragons in this mix as well. And also the 2-ounce snake, which was released, what, a month ago?
Yeah.
And already this has been sold back. So these are buybacks, believe it or not. And we're going to do, I can't believe we're doing this. I'm actually crying a little bit inside. We're going to do them as a buyback special.
Woohoo!
Unboxing special. So for a very limited time, and I think these are going to go faster than, they're probably going to be sold out by the end of this video. If you've watched to this point, they're probably already all gone. But we are going to do them at $8 per coin. So these are 2-ounce coins, so it's $4 an ounce over spot. And these are for all, they're still in their wrapping, for crying out loud.
Did someone tell you that Black Friday deals are supposed to like have an end point as well, Michael? You know, actually supposed to stop them, you know, at some point before Christmas?
But these, I mean, these are coming in the Perth Mint flips.
Yeah, it's the most like flips I've seen, you know, kind of all in one place like that.
So these are as brand spanking new as you're going to get, unless you buy brand new ones.
That's it.
But these are buybacks, and at $8 over spot, you can't go wrong. I am crying a little bit inside right now.
The elephant in the room on these ones is that we are now past our shipping date for the year. So if you want to put them in storage, that's absolutely no worries. We offer 3 months free storage. But if you do want them shipped, they will be waiting until the new year to be coming out to you.
Yeah, so don't buy them as Christmas presents.
Yes, that is the only asterisk we're going to put next to that one. But we will be back and firing on the 13th of January next year, and we will make sure to send them out to you then.
Yeah. So available for a very quick time. Grab them while you can. Once they're gone, they're done and dusted. This is one buybacking and one buybacking only.
Good stuff. All right. Thank you very much, Michael. We will see you in the next one.
Sounds good. See ya.